Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about American Bill money. Today is July 5th, and for those that don't know, I am a single mom that works from home, and I've been involved in this program since May of 2017. It's allowed me to generate thousands of dollars, and I'm showing others how to do the same. For those that don't know, American Bill money has been around since 2003. Yes, it is a postcard program, and it allows you to generate a full-time income by paying you out $75 for each person that joins your downline. So it is a $125 fee to become an affiliate of American Bill money. And what happens is once you become a member, well, an affiliate, you will have the opportunity to purchase postcards from American Bill money, and they will also send you 150 leads. Now, you can purchase more leads if you want. American Bill money shows you how to promote this opportunity online and offline, and how to do it consistently so that you can get a residual income every single month. So what I want to do first is show my proof of what I've earned so far for the month of June with American Bill money. And then of course my link will be in the description that pretty much gives you information about American Bill money, how I got started, other people that are generating a full-time income, and how to get signed up if this is something that you would like to be a part of. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. I know the owner. I've spoke to him plenty of times. He's very transparent, and he's willing to help people that are willing to help themselves. So you can actually speak with him. You can call the office. You don't even need a laptop to do this. You can sign up right over the phone. Okay, so here is one payment that I received June 1st in the amount of $675 from American Bill money. Okay. The next check that I received is a total of $750 from American Bill money. I also received a check for $600 on June 15th from American Bill money, and June 22nd in the amount of $600. So we get paid out every single week from this company. And what I do is I show people how to use a funnel to market the opportunity. And if you don't want to, you can just market the opportunity using postcards, okay? You know, you have people that get in all throughout the year. If you want to speed up your results, you can use a funnel, which means you just have a website, you pay for your website, connect that website to a funnel that will allow you to generate online leads that will eventually turn into commissions, okay? So that's basically, you know, the information about the program. This is the back of the flyer. It just tells you, 10 people is $750 a month, 100 people is $7,500 a month, 1,000 people is $75,000 per month, okay? It gives you information about it. There's a one-up compensation plan. So every time the first person that comes into your organization is passed up to your sponsor, everyone after that stays with you. You have a 24/7 automated system that does the selling and telling for you. You can just call in and get the information from that. This is the number that has a recorded presentation about the company. And if you want to sign up, my ABM number is 5198. So you will have labels that will go here that has your name, your ABM number, so that you can get paid. And the people that are looking for home-based business opportunities, their label will go here. And then of course you need to get your postcard stamps and put them here. I do let everyone know exactly where to go to get the postcard stamps at a really reasonable rate. This is how you can actually pay to become an affiliate of American Bill money. And then as you scroll down, it gives you information about Paul, the owner. Basically what's included when you get your package, of course, minus the postcards. You have to get the postcards separately. You can get for $75, 1,000 postcards, or for $150, you can get 2,500 postcards. They also have where you can do a 12-month prepaid plan for $1,500. That will give you a total of 5,000 postcards. and you will also get 1,800 leads. So you can pay this for the year and you won't have to worry about paying monthly, or you can pay $125 per month, which is going to give you 150 150 labels. And then, like I said, you're able to get the 1,000 postcards every 6 months, or you can get 2,500 postcards for $150. Okay, so this is the information. We also have cover letters that you can send out with your postcards if you want to. You can purchase them directly through the company. I also have a postcard that I can send to you that you can copy as well if you want to send out the cover letter that goes with the postcard. So you can get the cover letters through ABM, or you can request from me the cover letter and I'll send you a copy. You could just have those photocopied at your local mom and pop print shop. Okay, you have to get your postcards from American Bill Money. Okay, you cannot print the postcards out yourself. It's against their rules and policies. You have to purchase the postcards through the company. So if you want more information about American Bill Money, like I said, the information will be in the description. If you would like to reach out to me for more information to see how to get started online or offline, how much you're able to make, how much work and effort you would need to put into this opportunity, you can reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to give you that information. So thanks so much, guys, for coming out. Marina, Janice, thanks so much for coming out and supporting me. Everyone, thanks for viewing the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good night.